how to fix DLL files missing in Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11. So if you want to fix DLL files missing, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. Now on your browser, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Hit the enter. Here you just need to simply go with the first option, which is www.microsoft.com. And here if you scroll down, then you'll have the download option. You just need to simply click on download, and you need to go with the top right, which has already been downloaded. Now you need to go with the open file option, and here it will take you to the file. Now you need to double click on it, and it will ask you if you want to allow the permission. You just need to simply go with yes. Once you click on yes, it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with I accept the agreement, go with next, scroll down, go with next again, and it will start the installation process. Once it's installed, then you'll be able to fix your DLL files that are missing. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.